Well, hello there. Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be checking out all of the different iPhone 17 Pro cases that you can get from Apple's website. So let's get right to it. So I was going to unbox the TechWoven case first, but instead I will be going according to the price from lowest to the highest, and the first one will be the iPhone 17 Pro clear case. So this Apple design case lets the color of your iPhone 17 Pro shine through while adding reliable protection. Made from a blend of optically clear polycarbonates and flexible materials, it fits snugly over the buttons for effortless use. The case is slim, lightweight, and easy to grip. It also works seamlessly with camera control thanks to an integrated sapphire crystal and conductive layer that precisely track finger movements. It's got a scratch-resistant coating on both the inside and outside surfaces, and all materials are engineered to resist yellowing over time. Now, with perfectly aligned built-in magnets, the case offers a snap-on MagSafe experience and faster wireless charging. When it's time to power up, simply leave the case on and connect a MagSafe charger, or place your iPhone on any Qi 225 watt or Qi certified wireless charger, and it should get the job done. Like all Apple designed accessories, this goes through thousands of hours of testing to ensure durability and performance. So while it highlights your iPhone's design, it's also built to guard against everyday scratches and drops. From what I've noticed so far, this isn't a fingerprint magnet, but I have noticed that it doesn't provide a full 360-degree coverage for the front bezels. As you can see, we have a hole cut out for the speaker and the charging port. However, I do like the fact that the camera bump right here has a unibody finish similar to the 17 Pro's aluminum unibody finish. Next up is the silicone case in the Midnight colorway. Made with 45% recycled silicone, it's got a soft finish on the outside, as well as on the inside. It's got this cozy, soft microfiber lining for even more protection. On the bottom, it's got the cutouts for the speakers and everything, as well as for the new crossbody strap. Easy installation, we do get that animation right here. It does have raised beveled edges. Very nice. And you can see here, this one provides a 360-degree protection for the iPhone's front display, as well as for the camera. You can see on the back, it does have a two-tone finish. It's got a plastic border for the camera cutouts, which I would have liked it to be just the same color as the case, but it still looks pretty good nonetheless. This also supports MagSafe and wireless charging, and it also features the same sapphire crystal coupled to a conductive layer to communicate finger movements to the camera control. Once I do unbox all of the cases, I will talk about their fingerprintiness, which one collects the most fingerprints. But now, let's unbox the next case, which is the TechWoven case. So this one, you can see, I thought I was opening the other case boxes incorrectly, while this one, voila. Very nice showcase of the case right here. This case is made from a custom 100% recycled technical woven fabric, where multiple colored yarns are woven together using a jacquard loom, giving it a unique texture and rich layered color. Around the edges, there's a lightly textured TPU coating for added grip, so it feels secure in your hand, while the buttons are made from refined anodized aluminum, giving you that nice, clicky, responsive feel every time you press them. This case also has the cutouts for the crossbody strap, and you can see with its raised beveled edges, it does give a 360-degree protection for the front side of the display. And the cameras on the back side are also well protected with raised beveled edges, and this case also supports wireless charging and MagSafe. Out of all of the cases I have unboxed so far, this one has the most amount of grip with its TechWoven texture on the back. Very nice. And it also, I will say, does not collect fingerprints. Well, you can't even see it on this because of its fabric finish. Same thing for the camera button here. It works like a charm. Now let's change up the beats. Here we have the Beats iPhone 17 Pro kickstand case in the bedrock blue colorway. Interesting naming scheme. This case is built with a tough polycarbonate back and flexible sidewalls that help absorb shocks, all while keeping it thin and lightweight. The matte finish on the outside helps hide scratches, smudges, and fingerprints, and inside there's a soft microfiber lining to protect against surface wear. This case also comes with a handy removable lanyard, and it doubles as a kickstand for hands-free viewing in landscape mode. Just slide open the adapter at the end of the lanyard and snap it into the magnetic spot on the side of the case. It's quick, simple, and super convenient, and it also kind of reminds me of that flash thing they use in Men in Black. And just like you'd expect, it works perfectly with camera control for smooth, responsive interactions, while also supporting wireless charging and MagSafe. This is a very sleek and minimal case. I do like the unibody design here. You can see the camera cutout on the back right here has that same unibody look as the iPhone, which I very much like. Just like some of the other cases, this one also does not provide a full 360 coverage on the front side, but it does have tactile buttons, just like the other cases. Last case on the list is the Beats iPhone 17 Pro rugged case in the Sierra Orange colorway. The Beats rugged case for the iPhone 17 Pro is built for serious protection. With an extra durable triple shot design, it combines an ultra strong polymer back, shock absorbing sidewalls and corners, and an enclosed bottom for all around coverage. The textured matte finish gives you a non-slip grip and helps hide smudges, fingerprints, and scratches. Inside, you'll find a soft microfiber lining that cushions your phone to prevent surface wear. It's still fully compatible with camera control thanks to a custom designed conductive layer that picks up finger movements directly through the case, so you stay in full control seamlessly. Unlike other cases, this one features a pill-shaped indentation around the camera button, giving you an extra grip and control when you're taking photos or recording videos. And of course, it works with MagSafe and wireless charging. Another thing I'd like to point out is I like how the Beats branding right here matches the deep blue color of the iPhone. Okay, now, which case should you pick? Well, first up, let's talk about the fingerprint magnetiness of these cases. Out of the 5 cases here, 3 of them are prone to fingerprints and smudges. First one being the silicone case, second one is the Beats kickstand case, and the third one is the clear case. On this, smudges aren't as hard to see unless you have light directed towards it at a certain angle, while on the silicone case, it's more prone to fingerprints and smudges. Same goes for the Beats. It's slightly less than the silicone. They're almost on the same level, but the silicone one seems to collect slightly more smudges than the Beats kickstand case. Now the clear case, I'm not really a fan of. It looks great and all, right? But just because of how it feels very slippery in my hand. It just, the grip is not there. It definitely collects fingerprints, and I would say it collects more fingerprints than the silicone and the Beats case, except it's slightly harder to see. But yeah, it definitely collects more fingerprints and it's more slippery in the hand. Definitely not the grippiest case here. Interestingly enough, my favorite feeling case out of these cases, I would say, is the Beats kickstand case. It kind of has that softness of the silicone case and the slimness of a thin case, and this case just feels nice in the hand. As for the grippiest case, I would say it's the TechWoven case and the rugged case. I would give the slight edge to the rugged case with its different finish. It has a soft matte finish as well as these little dots on the back of the case. It gives it slightly more grip compared to the TechWoven case. Yes, the TechWoven case has a textured back and sides, but the rugged case just has slightly more texture with its bumps and smooth matte texture on the back with indentation on the sides, giving it an overall better grip. With all that being said, that about wraps up this video. Which case do you like? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.